Hey folks, Brad Clay here with Final Descent Outdoors, and we have the Zippo Outdoor Rugged Lantern, and they talk about how tough this lantern is. It's waterproof, it's supposed to be tough, so today we're gonna give it a test. We're gonna toss it off this 15-foot waterfall. We'll see what happens. There's no way. How am I gonna get up? I wonder if I could hit that rock or hit it and knock it. Oh! What day is it? It snowed last week. Oh God! I can't hardly breathe. I literally can't breathe. Go to the bottom.